In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract shape animation. Let's use a metaball. Shift-D to duplicate them like this. Let's convert them to mesh, and I'll show you the material details. I'm using Eevee with bloom turned on. Let's add a displace modifier and use a noise texture. Ctrl+3 to subdivide, and please place the subsurf modifier at the bottom of the modifier stack. The idea is to have a 20-frame long animation, and set the default keyframe on frame 1 and 20. Let's go to frame 10, change the displace strength, and set a new keyframe. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.